everyone, welcome to my channel and you're watching my first ever video. Well, I'm Tibetan Vlogger and I was born and brought up in India, Ladakh, and I'm based in Canada now. Well, making YouTube video has been my biggest dream, and I wanted to do it from the longest time, but because of the job and all I couldn't do it. But since now everyone is locked down because of this pandemic, and so I have all the time in the world to do something that I'm always passionate about, that is making a YouTube video. And I'll be focusing more, like posting more videos on like travel vlogs, fashion vlogs, lifestyle vlogs, and many more. So yeah, I hope you guys will support me through this new journey of my life, and I will come up with many more videos, interesting videos, contents to keep you guys entertained. And yeah, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you'll get notified every time I post a new videos. So yeah, and tujenang ani subscribe churo nang lai hengen number so ani tujenang ani chela cheyo. Thank you, peace out.